Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Pikachu from Pokemon. Alright, let's get started. At the center of the paper, I'm drawing a curved line for Pikachu's head. And on the left side, as you can see right here, I'm drawing a curved line going down. It looks like a wiggle line. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. Once you're done drawing that curved line, we're just going to move right over here to start drawing the eyes of Pikachu. To draw the eyes, what I'm doing right now is just simply drawing a small circle and giving space right over here on the right side, just drawing another circle for Pikachu's eyes. And in between Pikachu's eyes, we're just going to draw a small triangle for the nose. As you can see right now, I'm drawing a small circle inside the eye of Pikachu and filling it in with the pencil. At any time in the video, if I'm drawing too fast, you can pause the video and draw at your own pace. Hopefully that will be helpful. Alright, cool. Once we're done filling in the eyes, we're going to move down below the nose and draw the mouth. To draw the mouth, all I'm doing is drawing two small curves and a big curve just like this, connecting it all together. And inside the mouth, we're just going to simply draw another curved line for the tongue, like this. After we're done drawing the mouth, we're going to start drawing the cheeks for Pikachu. So on the side right here, we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to do the same thing on the left side, drawing the circle. These are the red cheek marks for Pikachu. Now we got the face structure for Pikachu, we're going to move up top on the left corner to start drawing the ears. So right here at the corner, I'm drawing a curved line going up, and at this point just curving it back down to create the shape of Pikachu's ear. And right on top, I'm just drawing a curved line and filling it in with pencil. Now it's time to draw the other side of Pikachu's ear, but we're going to do it in a different position. This time we're going to point Pikachu's ear going downwards. So we're just going to draw the line going down and connect the other line together to create Pikachu's ear. You can think of Pikachu's ear like a triangle shape. And then we're just going to draw another line almost at the end of Pikachu's ear and coloring it in with the pencil. Right around here, we're going to start drawing the left side of Pikachu's arm, and I'm going to start drawing a rectangle for the shape of it. As you can see right now, I'm drawing a rectangle shape, and I'm going to erase the top line right here to start drawing the fingers of Pikachu. I'm just going to draw little triangles, so it's going to be like this. Now I'm just making this line curve in just a little bit more, and now we're going to start drawing the body. So from here, aligning it, I'm just going to draw a curved line going down just a little bit, and at the end I'm just curving it inwards just like this. After that, we're just going to draw another curved line going like this. And moving right over here, I'm going to draw another curved line going down to complete Pikachu's body. Now we're going to draw the right arm of Pikachu. Like we did before, we're just going to draw another rectangle, and at the top line, we're just going to erase it and draw triangles for the shape of Pikachu's fingers. Wow, we're almost done. Right over here, where I just pointed, we're gonna draw the 2 feet. And on the left side, I'm going to draw a circle. And inside the circle, I'm just going to draw 2 lines giving space. And on the right side, we're going to do the same thing. draw another circle, and inside the circle, drawing 2 lines giving space. As you can see right now, I'm just erasing the lines right here, and another right here, and just making the lines not completely touch each other, just enough to make Pikachu's body and feet looks like it's attached. Now you're wondering, where's the tail? Where's Pikachu's tails? Well, that's going to be the last thing we're going to draw. So right on the side, right here, we're just going to draw a triangle. And moving up right over here, we're going to draw a diagonal line going up towards the ear. And pretend it's going through. We're going to draw another line right here, going down. And after that, we're just going to connect it all together to make the shape of Pikachu's tail. And you're all done drawing Pikachu. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it into a time lapse to show you my outlining and coloring Pikachu. Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.